Good morning, students. In previous class, we discussed about multiple angles, submultiple angles, regarding trigonometric ratios and applications of their formulae, and we solved some 4 most important problems. Now we will go to solve some 7 marks problems. For that, we have to recall sum and product of the compound angles. That is, we have to recall sin C plus sin D is nothing but 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Similarly, sin C minus sin D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 cos C plus cos D by 2. 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Similarly, cos C minus cos D by 2, cos C minus cos D is equal to 2 minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2, or sin 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2. By taking these 4 formulas into consideration, we have to solve some more problems. Here, before going to solve some more problems, we have to discuss some identities related to angles in a triangle. If A comma B comma C are angles of a triangle, that means if A comma B comma C are the angles of a triangle, then that implies A plus B plus C is equal to pi radians, 180 degrees. In this case, how the angles may be changed, we have to discuss. If A plus B plus C is equal to pi, that implies A plus B is equal to pi minus C. By taking sin on both sides, that implies sin A plus B is equal to sin pi minus C. Then what is the value of sin pi minus C? Pi means 180 degrees minus C belongs to second quadrant. Sin remains as sin A at pi. Then it should be in second quadrant. So sin C. Sin A plus B is equal to sin C. Similarly, cos of A plus B, by taking cos on both sides, cos pi minus C. Cos remains as cos. Since it pi minus C in second quadrant, then it is minus cos C. Okay, you have to use these two. And here, if A plus B plus C is equal to pi, that implies A plus B is equal to pi minus C. If by dividing with rho, it is pi by 2 minus C by 2. Now what will happen about these two angles? Now taking sin on both sides, sin A plus B by 2 is equal to sin pi by 2 minus C by 2. Pi by 2 is 90 degrees. Yet pi by 2, sin will cos as cos and cos as sin. And since it belongs to first quadrant, the symbol is positive, sign is positive. Sin a plus b by 2 is equal to sin pi by 2 minus c by 2, that is equal to cos c by 2. Similarly, cos a plus b by 2 is equal to, what will happen? Cos of, by taking cos on both sides, cos of pi by 2 minus c by 2, cos will change as sin and it has positive sign, sin c by 2. Okay, in this way we have to remember these values. Similarly, sin a plus b is equal to sin c, sin b plus c is equal to sin a, sin c, c plus a is equal to sin b. Similarly, cos sin a plus b by 2 is equal to cos c by 2, sin b plus c by 2 is equal to cos b by 2, and sin c plus a by 2 is equal to cos b by 2. Similar like this also we have to take. If a plus b, third point is a plus b plus c is equal to pi by 2. First one, first case, second case, third case, a plus b plus c is equal to pi by 2. That implies a plus b is equal to pi by 2 minus c. Now we have to take sign on both sides. If sin pi, sin a plus b is equal to sin of pi by 2 minus c, that is equal to pi by 2, sin changes as cos and it belongs to first quadrant, that is equal to cos c. Similarly, cos of a plus b is equal to cos of pi by 2 minus c is equal to cos changes as sin, sin c. Okay, in that way we have to discuss some other 2 points. That those are, if sin, if a plus b plus c is equal to 2 pi, there is another case, if a plus b plus c is equal to 2 pi, then that implies a plus b is equal to 2 pi minus c. Then taking sign on both sides, sin a plus b is equal to sin 2 pi minus c. Sin remains as sin and 2 pi minus c belongs to fourth quadrant. It gets negative symbol, that means minus sin c. Similarly, cos a plus b is equal to cos of 2 pi minus c. Cos remains as cos at x-axis, that means at pi degrees or 2 pi degrees or 0 degrees, and it belongs to fourth quadrant. Cos is positive, then that is equal to cos c. Okay, these are the main points we have to remember. And also another concept is there, sin pi by 2 minus theta is equal to cos theta, and cos of pi by 2 minus theta is equal to sin theta, and cos of pi by 2 plus theta is equal to minus sin theta, and sin of pi by 2 plus theta is equal to cos 2 cos. These also you have to remember. Previously we discussed these points. Before, while going to solve these problems, we have to verify these relations. Okay. Shall I have it? You have to discuss and remember and write down your notes. Then I will write inside. I wrote the all formula here, identities, relations. You have to use these in our further problem solving. Now I am going to solve some problems for you. First one is from exercise 6F. sin to A minus sin to B plus sin to C. If first question, question 1, if A comma B comma C are angles of a triangle, then prove that sin to A plus minus sin to B minus sin to B plus sin to C is equal to 4 cos A sin B cos C. Four cos A sin B cos C. You have to prove. Okay. Here the question is like this. Proof. Before going to prove it, given what are the angles here, A comma B comma C are the angles of triangle. That means it is nothing but the sum of angles. The sum of A comma B comma C, angles A comma B comma C is 180 degrees, that is 5 degrees. That implies, given that A plus B plus C is equal to pi. So we have to first take first one. Now take LHS. Take LHS. Left hand side of the proof. What is given? Sin to A minus sin to B plus sin to C. Here minus sin to B is there, here sin B is there, the remaining two are cos A cos C. So we have to rearrange the terms as like this: sin to A plus sin to C minus sin to B. It is in the form of sin C plus sin D. This is C, take this is C and this is D. Sin C plus sin D is nothing but 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. By using that, we know that, I will write here formula: sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. By using this relation, this identity, we can solve this. Therefore, LHS is equal to sin C. C is equal to A, D is to C. Therefore, 2 into sin C plus D, 2A plus 2C by 2 into cos C minus D, 2A minus 2C by 2 minus sin 2. Sin 2 maybe as it is by 2 sin, by simplification of this one, 2A plus 2C, if we take common, or 2A by 2 or 2C by 2, that means A plus C into cos A minus C. It is nothing but A minus C. Here, if you write sin to B formula, sin to B is nothing but, what is the expansion of sin to A? Sin to A is nothing but 2 sin A cos A. Similarly, sin to B is nothing but sin to B cos 2 sin B cos B. Okay, by using the sin to A formula. Here A plus B plus C is equal to pi, then A plus C is there, A plus C is equal to pi minus B. Sin A plus C, what is sin A plus B here? Sin C. Similarly, sin A plus B, A plus C is also sin B. Instead of a plus c, we can write 2 sin b into cos a minus c minus 2 sin b. Here sin b is there, sin b is there. 2 sin b is there, we have to common. And what is there? Cos b is there. Then what is your cos b? We have to change it b into a comma c. So take another step, another one step. Cos b. If we take 2 sin b as common, here cos a minus c minus cos b. Instead of cos b, here a plus b plus c is equal to pi. B is equal to pi minus of a minus c. I will write here. That implies a plus c is equal to pi minus b. By taking cos on both sides, cos a plus c is equal to cos of pi minus b. Cos remains as cos at pi and it belongs to quadrant, second quadrant, minus cos b it will become. Okay. So instead of minus cos b, we can write cos a plus c. Have you understood this? That is equal to 2 sin b into cos of a minus c. Instead of cos a minus b, you can write plus cos a plus c. Okay. I will write since cos a plus c is equal to minus cos b. Okay. Now 2 sin b into, in the bracket it is in the form of again cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d. What is the cos c plus cos d? We know that sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Similarly, cos c plus d by 2, I will write here once again. Cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. This is our formula. Therefore, LHS becomes as 2 sin b into cos c plus cos d. Take this as c and this as d. So 2 cos of c plus d. That means a minus c plus a plus c by 2 into cos c minus d. Cos of a minus c minus of a minus c is nothing but minus a minus c by 2. By simplification, this will become 2 sin b into 2 into 2 4, 4 sin b into, here c get cancelled, a plus a 2a by 2a means a, that is cos a into, here c a get cancelled, minus c minus 2c by 2 minus c, that is cos of minus c. Cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. So we know we will write it 4 cos a sin b cos c. It is nothing but RHS. Hence, this is the process of solving 7 marks problems. One of an important problem is this. You have to write down in the notebooks and practice. Second one. Okay, in that way we can take another one. Now we take another problem, that is second Roman, first Roman, second first one. If ABC are the angles in a triangle, then prove that sin A plus sin B minus sin C is equal to 4 sin A by 2 sin b by 2 cos c by 2. You have to observe plus plus is sin sin, minus is there, then it will change to cos. To prove it, what is given? Read question again. If a comma b comma c are the angles of a triangle, what is the meaning of that sentence? Angles of triangle means a plus b plus c is equal to pi. Given that a plus b plus c is equal to pi. By using this relation, we have to prove this. Now take LHS is equal to sin A plus sin B minus sin C. You can directly solve sin C plus sin D. It is in the form of sin C plus sin D. Sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D. By using that formula, 2 sin A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. Okay. Here sin C. This can be written as sin 2 into C by 2. We change this as sin 2a form. Sin 2 theta. Oh. Now 2 sin a plus b by 2. Sin a plus if a plus b plus c is equal to pi, sin a plus b by 2 is equal to cos c by 2. Instead of a plus b by 2, we can write cos c by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 minus, if we expand the sin 2 into c by 2 in sin 2 as by using the formula sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta, if we take this as theta, it is equal to 2 sin c by 2 into cos c by 2. Okay. If we take cos c by 2 as common, 2 cos c by 2 into what is remaining here? Cos of a minus b by 2 minus 2 cos c by 2 gone out and sin c by 2 is there. Sin c by 2. That is equal to 2 cos c by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 minus sin c by 2. If a plus b plus c is equal to pi, then minus sin c by 2. Sin c by 2 is equal to cos a plus b by 2. Instead of sin c by 2, we can write cos a plus b by 2. That means minus as remain minus. This can be written as cos a plus b by 2. Now it will become cos c minus cos d. Cos c minus cos d means 2 sin c plus d, last formula, that is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 minus of, or sin c plus d by 2 into sin d minus c by 2, what it may be. Just wait. Here I will write formula cos c minus cos d. I will use like this, 2 sin d plus c by 2 into sin d minus c. I will use like this, 2 cos c by 2. This is c and this is d. 2 sin, what is d? A plus b plus c by 2 plus c means a minus b by 2 whole divided by 2 into sin d minus c by 2 a plus b by 2 minus of a minus b by 2 whole divided by 2. We have to simplify. 2 to the 4. 4 cos c by 2 into. The simplification of this is the denominator equal. So a plus b plus a minus b by 2 to the 4. That means b will get cancelled. 2a by 2. That means a plus b will get cancelled and a plus 2a by 2 into 2a sin a by 2. The simplification of that much is sin a by 2. Or we can write 2a by 4 into here minus of can write one step again here, a plus b plus a minus b by 2 to the 4 into sin of, similarly here, a plus b minus of a minus into minus plus b by 2 to the 4. That is equal to 4 cos c by 2 into sin of b we get cancelled, a plus a to a by 4, that means a by 2 into, similarly here, sin a get cancelled, b plus b 2b by 4 is b by 2, sin b. We arrange the words in an order. 4 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 into cos c. This is equal to RHS. Hence, so this is also a Solomon's problem. In this way, we have to solve the second one also. Okay, now we will take another one. Here we will solve another problem. If ABC are angles in a triangle, then prove that. Third one, sin square A plus sin square B minus sin square C is equal to 2 sin A sin B cos C. To prove this, we have to use another one formula also. Sin A plus B into sin A minus B is equal to sin square A minus sin square B. Here, when the squares are there, we have to prove. Here, the angles are in a triangle, so A plus B plus C is equal to pi. That condition is there. Then take LHS. It is also a small problem. Sin square A plus sin square B minus sin square C. This can be written as sin square. We know sin of a formula is there, sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B is equal to sin square A minus sin square B. Okay. By using this formula, we can write this two terms as follows. Sin square A plus the sin square B minus sin square C, sin B plus C into sin B minus C. This can be written as sin B plus C into sin B minus C. Sin square B minus sin square C. Okay. Sin B plus C. Here A plus B plus C is equal to pi. B plus C is equal to pi minus A. That means sin B plus C is equal to sin pi minus A. Sin pi minus A means sin A. Sin square A plus, we can write this as sin A into sin B. Since sin b plus c is equal to sin of pi minus a, that is equal to sin a. By using this relation, since a plus b plus c is equal to pi is given, by using that sin b plus c is equal to sin b plus c is equal to sin pi minus a, sin pi minus a is equal to sin b. By taking sin a as common, this becomes sin a plus the remaining is sin b minus c. Okay. Again, we use the relation, this relation here, sin a into, this can be written as sin of b plus c plus sin of b minus c. It is in the form of sin c plus sin d. By using that formula, this can be written as sin a into 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d. That means sin of b plus c plus b minus c is there, sorry, minus c by 2 into cos of c minus d, that is b plus c minus b plus c by 2. C get cancelled, the remaining b plus b, 2b by 2 is b, that is equal to 2 will become first. Friend, 2 sin a sin b. Here b get cancelled, c plus c, 2c by 2 is c, that is cos, which we required to prove. That is RHS, which is hence proved. This is also a very important model. We have to solve using this. We have to go an important one, that is in next video we will solve.